Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to the ccna preparation season. In today's video, we are going to discuss 20 important ccna practice questions that are commonly found in networking fundamentals exam and Cisco certification training. If you currently studying for the computer networking certification, this video will help you understand not only the correct answer, but also the logic and concept behind each question. Many students make the mistake of memorizing answer without understanding the real networking concept. In the actual CCNA exam, Cisco often changes the wording of the question. It means if you only memorize answer, you may get confused during the exam. But if you thoroughly understand the concept, you will be able to answer different versions of the same topic confidently. In this season, we will discuss why the correct answer is correct, why the other options are wrong, and real networking concept used in enterprise environment, important CNA tips that can help you during the exam. This topic are extremely important because they cover VLAN, routing, switching, IP addressing, HCP, DNS, NAT, STP, access list, TCP or IP, Cisco IOS command, SSH, security, and many more fundamentals networking technologies. So, whether you are a beginner in networking or already practice in labs such as GPT or Cisco Packet Tracer or GAN S3, this discussion will strengthen your understanding. Make sure you watch until the end because every single question contains concept that frequently appear in the CCNA exam. Alright everyone, let's get started with question number 1. Okay. In the question number 1, a network administrator want to superpad broadcast domains on a layer 2 switch. Which technology should be used? A. STP, B. VLAN, C. Interchannel, and D. NAT. And the correct answer that's B. That's VLAN. Okay. The explanation: the correct answer is VLAN, which stands for Virtual Local Area Network. A VLAN is used to logically spread device into different broadcast domains even when they are connected to the same physical switch. Without VLANs, all devices connected to a switch belong to the same broadcast domain, meaning broadcast traffic isn't everywhere. For example, VLAN 10 can be used for the finance department, and VLAN 20 can be used for human researchers, and then VLAN 13 can be used for IT support. Even if all devices are connected to the same switch, they are logically separated. Why are the other answers wrong? STP prevents switching loops, not broadcast separation. Interchannel combines multiple links for bandwidth or redundancy. And NAT transfers IP address between private and public network. VLAN is one of the most important topics in ccna because it improves uh, security, network management, performance, and then broadcast control. And next, we're going to question 2. Which command is used to view the routing table uh, router Cisco? Okay, Cisco router. A. Show IP interface brief. B. Show running config. C. Show the IP route. And D. Show fluent brief. The correct answer is that is C. Show IP route. Okay, and then the explanation. The command show IP route is used to display the routing table on Cisco device. The routing table contains information such as connected routes, static routes, uh, dynamic routing protocol routes, and default routes. The router uses this table to determine where packets shall be forwarded. Example, router hashtag show IP route. Okay, you may see codes like C connected, S static, O OSPF, and D AGFP. Why are the other answer incorrect? Show IP interface brief only show interface status and IP address. And show running config display the active configuration, and then show flan brief is used on switch to display flan information. And understanding routing tables is extremely important because routers make forwarding decisions based on this information. Okay. Next, we're going to question 3. And question: what is the primary function of ARP? A. Translate IP address to MAC address. B. Send packet between router. C. Manage VLANs. And D. Secure network connection. And the correct answer, that is A. Translate IP address to MAC address. And then the explanation: ARP standard for address resolution protocol. Its main job is to find the MAC address associated with an IP address in a local network. For example, if PC1 wants to send data to 192.168.1.10, it first needs to know the MAC address of the device. The process works like this. First, PC1 sends an ARP broadcast request, and then the destination device replies with its MAC address, and then PC1 stores the result in the ARP table. ARP is essential because Ethernet communication uses MAC address at layer 2. And why are the other answers wrong? Routers forward packet using routing protocol. File management is done by switch. Security is not the main function of ARP. A common ccna exam tip: ARP operates between layer 2 and layer 3 of the USI model. Okay. And now we next to the question. question 4. Okay, how many hosts are available and prefix 27? Okay, A 14, B 13, uh, C 62, and D 126. Okay, and the correct answer, that is B 13. Okay, and the explanation, prefix 27 subnet means 27 bits for network and 5 bits for host. Host calculation, the formula 2 minus 2, so 13. Okay, why minus 2? One address is the network address, one address is the broadcast address, so total address 32, 32. Okay, and usable host we have 13, and subnetting is one uh, of the most important skills in ccna. Cisco frequently tests subnetting calculation during exams. Okay, next to the next question. Which device operates at layer 2 of the USA model? A router, B hub, C switch, and D firewall. And the correct answer, that is switch, C. Okay, and then explanation, layer 2 switch operates using MAC address. The switch learn MAC address dynamically and stores them in the MAC address table. Its main function is forwarding Ethernet frames efficiently between devices. Okay, why are the other incorrect? Router mainly operate at layer 3. Hub operate at layer 1 and simply repeat signal. And firewall can operate on multiple layers depending on the type. Layer 2 switching is one of the foundation of modern LAN network. Okay, next to the next question. What is the purpose of a default gateway? A. Connect host to DNS server, and B. Send the packet to other network. C. Manage VLAN to switch. Okay, and D. Determine MAC address. Determine MAC address. And the correct answer, that is send packet to other network, B. Okay, and explanation, a default gateway is the router IP address used by a host when sending traffic outside its local network. For example, PCIP 192.168.1.10. Okay, and subnet 255.255.255.0, and the gateway 192.168.1.1. Okay. If the PC wants to communicate with another network, it sends traffic to the default gateway. Without a gateway, local communication works and internet communication fails. This is one of the most common troubleshooting topics in networking. Okay, next to the question. Which routing protocol use the dual algorithm? Okay, A. RIP, B. SPF, C. AGRP, and D. BGP. And the correct answer is AGRP, C. Okay, and explanation: AGRP uses the diffusing diffusing update algorithm or dual. Dual helps AGRP find the best route, quickly recover from failures, and prevent routing loops. Okay. AGRP is known for fast conference efficiency and advanced routing capabilities. Okay. Well, why are not or other incorrect? Okay, first, RIP use the distance factor algorithm, and OSPF use SPF algorithm, and BGP use path vector algorithm. Dual is a signature feature of AGRP and often appears in ccna exams. Okay, we next to question H. What is the main function of DHCP? A. Automatically assign IP address. Okay, and B. Translate domain names. C. Send email. Send email. D. Secure VPN connection. Okay, what correct answer? That is automatically assign IP address. A. And then the explanation: DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It automatically provides IP address subnet mask default gateway DNS server, which is DHCP administrator must configure device manual. The DHCP process discover, offer, request, and acknowledge. This process is called DORI. DHCP greatly simplifies network management. Okay, next to the question. Which command is used to enable SSH and on Cisco device? A. Transport output SSH. B. Crypto key generate RSA. C. Enable SSH. D. IP SSH enable. Okay, what the correct answer? That is crypto key generate RSA. B. An explanation: SSH requires RSA keys for encryption. The command crypto key generate RSA. Okay, creates the encryption keys necessary for SSH operation. SSH is more secure than Telnet because traffic is encrypted, passwords are protected. Okay, this is a very important security topic in ccna. Okay, next question. What is the default port number for HTTPS? Okay, A 20, B 22, 23, C 18, and D 443. Okay, and the correct answer that is 443. And explanation: HTTPS use TCP port 443. HTTPS provides encrypted web communication using SSL or TLS. Other important port: HTTP, that is 18, Telnet 23, FTP 20 or 21, and SSH 22. Port number are commonly tested in networking exams. Okay, next question. What is the purpose STP protocol on the switch? Okay. A. Prevent routing loops. B. Prevent switching loops. C. Manage IP address. And D. Connect different VLAN. Connect different VLAN. Okay. What the correct answer? That is prevent switching loops. Okay. B. And the explanation: STP stands for Spanning Tree Protocol. Its purpose is to prevent layer 2 loops in switched network. Without STP, broadcast storm may occur, make table instability may happen, and then network can crash. STP blocks redundant links until needed. This protocol is critical in enterprise switch network. Okay, next question. Question 12. Okay. What is VLAN trunk mode used for? Okay. A. Connect PCS to switches. B. Connect router to the internet. C. Carry multiple VLAN over one link. And D. Limit broadcast domain. Okay, the correct answer. The correct answer is carry multiple VLANs over one link. C. Okay. And explanation: a trunk port allows multiple VLANs to pass through a single bicycle connection. Trunks are commonly used between switches and routers. Okay, protocol such as AEEE, H100.2, .1Q are used for VLAN tagging. Without trunking, each VLAN will require separate cables. Okay, next to the question 30. Okay. Okay. What is the broadcast address of 192.168.10.0 slash 24? A. 122.168 .10.1. B. 192.168.10.254. C. 192.168.10.255. And D. 192.168.255. Okay, and dot 255. Okay, what the correct answer? And the correct answer is 192.168.10.255. Okay, C. C. Okay, explanation. slash 24 subnet mask means network 192.168.10.0. Usually host uh, 192.198.10.1 to 192.168.10.254. In broadcast 192.168.10.255. The broadcast addressing is used to send traffic to all devices in the subnet. Subnetting and broadcast calculation are essential ccna topic. Okay, next question. Which command for safe configuration at Cisco iOS? Uh, A. Copy startup config running config. B. Save config. C. Write erase. D. Copy running config startup config. Okay, the correct answer that is copy running config startup config. Okay. And the explanation. This command saves the active configuration into environment without saving. Configuration will be lost after reboot. Alternative command write memory. Okay. You can cut the command. You can write a VR. Okay. This is one of the most commonly used Cisco iOS command. Okay. Next question. Question 50. Okay. What is the purpose of NAT? A. Convert MAC to IP. B. Connect VLANs. VLANs. C. Translate private IP to public IP. And D. Secure password administrator. Okay. What the correct answer? The correct answer that is translate private IP to public IP. That is C. Okay, explanation. NAT stands for Network Address Translation. It allows private IP addresses to communicate with the internet using public IP address, and benefits conserves public IP address, adds basic security, and enable internet access. And NAT is really used in home and enterprise network. And next question. Which protocol is connection oriented? Okay. A. UDP. B. IP. C. TCP. D. ICMP. Okay, the correct answer that is TCP. C. An explanation. TCP establishes a reliable connection before transmitting data. Feature: error checking, sequencing, reliability, and flow control. Application using TCP, HTTPS, SSH, VTP. UDP is faster but less reliable. Okay. Next to the question. What is the purpose access list on Cisco router? Okay. A. Permit or deny network traffic. B. Add VLAN. C. Set default gateway. And D. Make dynamic routing. Okay, the correct answer that is permit or deny network traffic. Why? Access control list or ACLS are used to filter traffic. ACLS can allow traffic, block traffic, improve security, control network access. SLS are commonly used in enterprise security, traffic filtering, remote access control, and access list configuration is an important ccna skill. Okay, next question. What does a switch do when receiving broadcast? Okay. A. Delete the frame. B. Send the frame just to the default gateway. C. Send frame to the all port except such port. Okay. And D. Send frame just to the server. Only to the server. Okay. What the correct answer? The correct answer that is forward to all ports except search port. The explanation: broadcast traffic is flooded throughout the FLAN. Example of broadcast traffic: ARP request DHCP discover message. The switch sends the frame everywhere except the incoming port. This behavior is why broadcast control is important in large network. Okay. Next question: which command show interface on Cisco device? A. Show interface status. B. Show startup config. C. Show FLAN. D. Show IRP. Okay. The correct answer: show interface status. A. Okay. A. And then the explanation: this command displays port status, FLAN assignment, duplex, and speed. It is commonly used for troubleshooting switch port. Network engineering use this command frequently in real environments. Okay. Next question. 20. Question 20. Okay. What is the primary purpose of DNS? Okay. A. Ultimately, IP address. Okay. And B. Translate domain names into IP address. C. Manage FLAN. And D. A secure HTTPS connection. Okay. What correct answer? B. Translate domain names into IP address. Okay, B. Explanation: DNS stands for domain name system. It converts domain names such as google.com into IP address. Without DNS, user won't need to memorize IP address manual. DNS is one of the core service of the internet. Okay. Alright, everyone. This was our discussion of 20 ccna practice question along with a detailed explanation. I hope this session helped you better understand the networking concept behind each answer instead of simple memorizing them. Remember, the key to passing the Cisco System ccna exam is consistency. Practicing subnetting daily, build labs regularly, understand routing and switching concept, learn Cisco IOS command, practice troubleshooting. The more labs and simulation you do, the easier networking concept will become. If you found this discussion helpful, continue practice more ccna question, repeat difficult topic, build your own topologies, practice in packet tracer every day. Okay, thank you for so much for your watching and studying together today. Good luck with your ccna journey, and I hope to see you in the next networking lesson. Stay motivated, keep learning, and see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.